Virginie from Fashion One. We are here today at I Am Imagine magazine for a behind the scene of a shooting. Let's go see this.
We are definite.
Right now I'm currently freelancing, just trying to do whatever photo shoots I can. I'm currently also working on a blog that I'm hoping to have published in the next week or two as well. I do hair, makeup, airbrush, and nails as well too. I always have projects on the go, whether they're personal. I have a few friends that are photographers as well, so I'm always creating new looks and new things to try.
Well, at 18 years old, I was discovered while I was walking on the street in Montreal by an agent, and I got signed with an agency in Montreal. It was called Glamour, and I was doing modeling for 1 year with them. After that, the agency closed, and I just didn't do anything for 10 years. I just stayed home and didn't try to sell myself and stuff like that. So I just recently started again at 29. I was like, this is my chance. This is now or never. So I've been doing it intensively since this summer, and it's been working really great, yeah, so far. Well, right now I'm with Orlando Galeta, but it's not really like a fashion agency. It's more like a publicity and casting, television, stuff like that. Yeah.
And how you got your contracts with fashions?
Well, it's a lot of networking. Also, I'm doing a lot of photo shoots. So after that, they're gonna discover me by those photo shoots, and I've been meeting a lot of people, and good opportunity comes along, yeah.
Great. And are you on specific website like Model Mayhem or stuff like that?
Yeah, I have a Model Mayhem. I also did a fan page on Facebook. When you can go and see my picture, you can click the like button, and that's how I'm pursuing my career, yeah.
Great, wow. Congratulations, and we wish you the best luck. And for today's shoot, are you expecting something special?
Well, it's always fun to work for I Am Imagine magazine. It's my third time for this magazine, and I'm just expecting to have fun and doing great work, and I'm sure that the picture will be awesome, yeah.
And to end, do you have a specific product that you really like and that you can't go without it?
You mean like beauty product? Yeah. Or I would say mascara. Yeah, that's the main thing. Like for the eyes, maybe a black eyeliner also. Okay. And I'm pretty natural. Not right now, but usually I'm just going for the natural look. So.
We are definite.
So just to change it up a little bit, I'm adding some pigments on top of the blue to really, really enhance the blue eye makeup, as well as we're going to change the lip color, and we're going to make that a little bit electric as well too to match the eyes. And then we're going to do a nice big twisty chignon on top of her head.
I'm originally a fashion designer. I've been a photographer. I started in the 80s. So after submitting different pictures to different magazines, I've been being rejected and not answered, or I decided to start my own magazines. It's almost a full-time job that I'm doing part-time, but basically just to find people that submitting. So I receive like 10, 15, 20 messages a day that I have to answer, because I'm making a point to answer every single message I receive. So I have to look at submission. Then it's basically I'm trying to put the magazine as I receive it, not to be stuck to having to do everything just like a few days before. So I'm trying to work apart. So it's at least 20 hours to 30 hours a week for each issue. Yeah, so right now it's an international magazine. I had the submission from all over the world so far. I got a lot from London, from Paris. I got from Australia, New Zealand, New York, LA, Florida, Montreal, Toronto. So a lot of places. So this is the first issue that I had. So the first issue was also very difficult, because when you have nothing to show and ask people to submit images, you have nothing to show how the magazine would look. So even at the first issue, I didn't know what the magazine would look. So this is the first issue. So it was the August issue 2012, so it's brand new. So again, I had Shannon to do the makeup, and this is Anna Pana, so it's in Montreal. So this one was the 50s look that we did. And I received a submission from people from Paris that was shot in Saint-Tropez. I had a hat maker that lives in London that is making different hats, very, very stylish hats. And then we had Catherine that we're shooting today. And so I'm trying to get one editorial from me and 4, 5, 6 editorial from around the world.